Well, I downloaded Luma Fusion. I'm gonna test it out. So I'm gonna record a whole video on just Luma Fusion. I'm gonna edit it on my iPhone. Well, I'm gonna record it on my iPhone, which is an iPhone 8, and I'm gonna edit it all on the Luma Fusion. See how it is. People say it's really good, so let's check it out. Came to my parents for dinner. So let's see how this goes. Waiting on my sister, she's over there. Right there in that car.
It's a Lear beat.
I really need a little time to myself. Secretly, I need help. I find it hard to be hard to find. You can find peace, but can't find a peace of mind. I really don't wanna be insecure. They say love is real, but I'm not sure it's okay to be left behind, cause you can only go up from here. I just want to shine. You know that I know it takes a lot more time. If so, let me go then. Every hill I climb, I go slow up the slope, but I still feel so hopeless, hopeless, hopeless. Come back to me, I really need you now. It's hard to breathe, it's hard to breathe somehow. Come back to me, my head is spinning around, 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 and you can slow it down.
Hey yo, this ain't a game, bout to black out on you bastards. Nah, I ain't a slave, boy, I own all my masters. Been flown since '09, no Rolex, no time. Don't give a fuck by the cosign, no sleeping on me like coke lines. That yoga body, I just want a piece, girl. Namaste, if she down, I'ma throw her wood like a fireplace. Old me, new shit, same beat, new kicks, new money, new ish. I'm like new phone, who this? I told you I would do it and I did it. What's your excuse? I don't need no credit, I'm just living like I'm supposed to do. Yeah, bitch, you know me, I ain't the one, I'm the only. Fucking flow so cold, they bout to send a Zamboni. I'm low-key, but I could make your wifey sing high-key. They don't like if we kneel, we just do it like Nike. Shit, no one's iller, I got the doctor's receipts. They call me serial killer the way I body these beats.
Come back to me, I really need you now. It's hard to breathe, it's hard to breathe somehow. Come back to me, my head is spinning around, 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 and you can slow it down. I've always had a lot of things in my head. How do I start? How does it end? What I've become is because of you, you, you. I just want to shine. You know that I know it takes a lot more time. If so, let me go then. Every hill I climb, I go slow up these slopes. I still feel so hopeless, hopeless, hopeless. Come back to me, I really need you now. It's hard to breathe, it's hard to breathe somehow. Come back to me, my head is spinning around, 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 and you can slow it. Come back to me, and I really need you now. It's hard to breathe, it's hard to breathe somehow. My head is spinning around,
back home. I'm about to edit everything. Now, take in mind, everything was shot on my iPhone 8 Plus. It was shot at 120 frames per second. I also used this app right here, which is called Image Maker. It is by one of the, I bought like a stabilizer and it actually came with it. I believe the app is free. You don't have to pay for it, but it automatically shoots at 120 frames per second. I like it because it is very clear, but the iPhone itself automatically turns everything into slow motion. It can make everything easier so you don't have to do anything else, but at the same time it can make it a little bit harder. I just want to thank my parents for letting me do this. There was a few times when my mom was like, do we gotta shoot that again? It was hilarious. I love it. My biggest supporters really of all time has been my parents for everything that I do. So that is awesome. And I hope you like it. Let me know what you think. Luma Fusion is very, very easy to work with. I freaking love it so far. This is gonna be my second video that I edited, or that I edit on Luma Fusion. Let me know what you think in the comments and give me a thumbs up, hopefully. Maybe, please. Thank you.